Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Snippets new video. In this video, we're gonna see how to make a day-night cycle system in Unreal Engine 5. So for this, what I'm gonna do, first of all, click on this icon and go to the level blueprint. Here I will right click and search for event tick. Okay, from here I'll drag from delta seconds and add with some value which will be our time. Okay, something like 20 for my case, and I'll drag from the add and search for here make rotator. Okay, uh, unplug from there and drag it to pitch value. Then select your directional light and then go back to level blueprint and make a reference. Drag from a referenced directional light and search for add actor local rotation. Okay, and connect your rotator to that rotation and connect execution node to the event tick. Now compile and save it and go for the test, and here is our result. And that is for today's video. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning Unreal Engine.